You could say that the cryptocurrency bubble is the replication of the internet bubble. However, the question remains tall whether this is the year 1994 or the twilight of 1999. Without further ado, let's switch to the crypto world in 2023. The first change that I can see is that Bitcoin price has soared. This digital currency continues to govern the spectrum given the wild swings or volatility in Bitcoin prices. It goes without saying that Bitcoin is the most controversial crypto asset that had seen extreme highs and lows. The world never really had a global and scarce digital entity as this one. Hence, Bitcoin and its peers such as ORB's utility would outspace its size. I would refrain from putting a price tag because then I would speculate, although I would love to do that, yet I'm optimistic about the price of Bitcoin rising down the line for next 5 years as well. The second change from 2020 to 2023 is the commodity market is now digitized. Blockchain technology advancement endorses online marketplace formation and at the same time including a massive amount of online supply. The results we see today are how easy it is to make payments by teaming your gadget into a structured service of payment. Also, we are experiencing a huge rise in volume of digital commodities being traded. And we can now frequently hire miners online, providing us the hash power remotely. The number 3 change from last 3 years that I can see today is one of the notable developments is the decentralization of exchanges. Cryptocurrency exchanges are steadily becoming decentralized in order to establish a liquid crypto market. Decentralization interconnects the whole economy and makes the markets essentially exchangeable. The laws of respective countries play a critical role in the trade decentralization. I think we are still far from several trade settings on the blockchain. R&D or research and development is still in its infancy stage in the field of extra layers of off-chain abstraction. If this goes well, it will enable the exchange of digital assets without the public trace of their mobility. The fourth change that I can see is tokenization of economy. Quite a noticeable change in my opinion. We are witnessing more projects lining up with the emerging tokenized economy around legal tokenized equity structure. There are several gains to the tokenized economy such as liquidity, easy trading, the ability of each exchange to list its assets, etc. The fifth one is governments are now struggling with tax collection. I'm sure most of you will think that I'm mental, but hear me out. The governments are having issues with a conceptualized system of tax collection with a global economy where the asset system is unsuitable at its disposal. If you wonder how, then let me ask you 2 questions. Where do you think the citizens should deposit their taxes, and why pay a value overcharged compared to the given value? Within these 2 questions lie the answer. Besides the speculations above, at this moment, I'm certainly clear about the fact that the battle to gain control of and access to distributed value technologies will be intense with the evolution in crypto space within the next 5 to 10 years. In addition to the above speculations, I'm certainly aware at this moment that the struggle to gain control over and access to distributed value technologies will be intense with the growth in crypto space in the next coming years. What do you think of my views? Am I too speculative and over-optimistic, or can you really see all this happening? Don't forget to like, share this video, follow me and subscribe to our YouTube channel.